Came Cho guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope after reading the title you guys are all pumped up for this video because this was the most requested and most asked video. So whenever I used to upload a video, I used to get many questions like how do I do such smooth transitions, which filter, which app, how do I edit them, and many such comments. And finally I'm here with all the details for you guys. So basically as and while I kept making and editing videos, काफ़ी apps change किए. There was a lot to figure out, like which app is free, which is paid, which has the best filters and a lot more. So it is a little bit of a difficult task, but we did it. And also many people ask me which phone do I use, so I use iPhone X to shoot my videos. And मेरे को comments भी आते कि आप नया phone ले लो, phone change कर लो. But why? I'm happy with what I have and I will buy if I feel like I should. Coming back to the topic, when it comes to videos, I am very particular and I cannot compromise at all. I want my videos to be smooth, crisp and perfect. So yeah, I've specially recorded a transition video to show you guys how I do it. So let's get started. Also sorry for the constant noise that is coming. I can't help, मेरे area में काम चालू है, so I'm really very sorry, bear with it. So the first thing is that you decide your before and after outfit for the transition, and I shoot both the parts from iPhone's camera but with the slow-mo option, and make sure you lock the screen so that the light doesn't changes and it makes it look similar. And now when you start recording the first part, what I do is I do a little mark down so that whenever I come and change, I can stand in the same position and the same place. You know, for a smooth transition there are very small things that you need to follow, which is same position, same place, same poses, and yeah, that's it. Also always record few extra shots just in case if the first one doesn't turn out good, we have few backups. And also for the fast slow video, just take 2-3 shots in 2-3 poses and that's it, your video will be complete. So we are done shooting both the parts of the video and now I'll show you guys how I edit it. So let's start the mission. So the first app that we're going to use is iMovies, and sadly this app is not for Android users and only for iOS users, but हमारे पास Android users के लिए भी applications है, so don't worry. We're going to use iMovies for basic editing to combine two videos and to get a smooth transition. So let's start. Just choose your two clips and you're gonna rotate both of them. First thing that I always do is I mute both the videos so that we don't get the unnecessary voice of the background. And now you split at your transition and make sure you split at the same point. So I'm gonna split it here and here. You can just adjust a little bit so that you get that proper smooth transition. So now our transition is done and now we'll be adding sound. So for adding the sound, I've already screen recorded the part that I want. Click on it and go on the option of audio only. Now we're going to be doing the fast slow thing. Why I use iMovies is because we can easily edit the slow-mo part which is taken in iPhone. So it's really easy. You just split that part and you can click on this timer part and click on the add part so that you can edit this and make it normal. So now we will get the fast slow thing. And you repeat the same thing on every part of the video that you want to be fast slow, and that's it. I'm quickly just doing it. I'm also going to add short videos in the end because it has this tune. So yeah. So we are done with basic editing on iMovie, which is like fast slow transition or wo sab. And now we're going to be going to VN app. So this app is best for transitions. They have really nice effects. So I'll show you guys. For example, if we need an effect here, you just go to effects. There are so many effects in this one and it is free, which I love because for these effects many apps are providing it but they are charging for it, but this one is free. So I love this and I always use this for all these effects. So let me just see which one goes with this one. Now if you want to use the effects again, you need to split the video because they only apply one effects on one clip. So I split the video and use another effects if I want to. So I split it, and if I want to use an effects here, I again do the same process. So one is there are effects, and then there are these options also where you can dissolve, blur, zoom in, rotate, so many options. Basically this app is my love and my savior, my everything. I love this app. Thoda exporting takes time on this app because I think they don't let the video get blurry or something. They maintain the quality. The next app that I use sometimes is Prequel, and I use this app for aesthetic filters. They have really cool filters. So like those, you know, aesthetic vibes that is trending right now. For that I use this app. They have many options, like you can choose so many. So this app does lag sometimes, but they have these really cool aesthetic filters. You can also adjust and however you want to do it. They have many effects, many filters. You can also do many adjustments, and yeah, that's it. Let me show you the outcome. These are the three main apps I use for editing, and I feel that it is necessary because the editing that you do lifts up the whole mood of the video, and enhancing a little bit is really important to overall make the video look presentable. As you all saw how much one video takes. First you change and do the transition, and then you edit, and then edit from so many apps and so much. एक वीडियो के पीछे कितना efforts लगता है, and almost all the influencers get hate comments. Even I get hate comments like ये तो बस कपड़े बदलती रहती है, because I keep doing fashion transitions a lot. So I would like to say कि मतलब this is very unnecessary that you guys comment. And अब तो पता चल गया ना कैसे करते हैं. आप करके बताओ, अगर इतना ही आसान है तो आप कर लो. And for my lovers, yeah, those were my tips and tricks to how you can edit your video and how you can make your transitions more smooth. I hope this video was helpful and worth your time, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, you can also watch my previous videos to know more. You can also check out my Instagram for more such transition videos that I keep doing. I also get many questions on how I edit my pictures, so if you want to see a video on that too, you can let me know in the comment section. So now it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!